Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As-salatu wa-salam ala Rasulillah. In part 2 of my course to making a space frame, I want to, as I told you, that I want to show you how we can make this hexagonal net. So it's pretty easy with SolidWorks. Okay, and just go to Sketch and choose this one, the polygon, and you see. I'm sorry, what I did. Okay, I want to sketch here, or just you can select here. You can make normal too, and you can use the sketch that you want from here or from another side. Is the same thing. Okay, we can go to I'm sorry, we can go to sketch and make a sketch. I'm sorry, not from this one. We can select this face and go to sketch. Okay, after that we can click here and from the center and bring it outside. Okay, here the name of the side is here, the point is here, the diameter. We can choose whatever we want. For example, we want to choose the diameter. As we know, we have this one is 16. So if we say 22, let's see. You see, yeah, it's up to your spinner. Okay, if there's 22, if there's another thing 22, you have, if you have 27, 30, it's like as you want. Okay, so just click close dialog. We have this sketch now, but I don't want sketch. I want to be 3D model, so I can go to extrude. Yeah, that's very good. Let's say we have 3 millimeters or maybe less. Okay, 20 maybe. Yes, why not? Yeah, that's very good. 20 or 30, 25, whatever we want. Of course, we have to make this one. It's a little bit taller. I mean the bolt. Okay, but no problem. By the way, I don't want to be this merged with this body, so I'll remove this one. So just click OK. Oh, that's very good. That's very good. I could make this one, but for another time, another side. Oh, I don't have. So I'll solve it. No problem. I'll copy this one. To copy this one in the center line of this pipe, I have to first make a geometry plane. So plane, first reference is this reference, and the next reference is another side, this one. So I could get a plane in between these two. That's very good. So just select plane and make larger a little bit. Anyhow, so I want to make a mirror. So mirror for 3D elements. So this one, the X of a mirror, and or plane of mirror, and this is the body. You see, I want to this body. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, that's very good. Just click OK. So I could get this type of pipe. So I have pipe 630. So just save it. By the way, I saved this file before. Okay, no problem. After that, I can make save as, and for this time I want to name it as 1462. So just save this one. Okay, so it's pretty easy to change this one. Just by selecting this one and go to edit sketch. You see, we can go to top view so as to be more clear. Yeah, you see that the dimensions that we used before. What is that dimensions that we used before? Like, for example, this one. I'm sorry. From top view, these dimensions. Now I'll change this dimension to what I have. This. Okay, you see everything changed with its parameters because all of things are fully parametric. So just by clicking this one, I can, yeah, now I could get lines like or a 3D model for pipe like this. Just what I want. I want to save this pipe also. So that's very good. I could get pipes, and again I want to make a new part. This time I want to make for ball, okay, the nodal connection. So just from here for this one, what I want to make what I have, we can make a line which is, let's say, construction line, okay, and after that we can, from the center, we can write down, we can make a circle and give it a smart dimension. As you see, this is the radius, let's say 110, okay, or 100 as you want. After that, just escape and trim entity. I want to trim this one, and I want to revolve this also. So I will give it the dimensions from here. I can delete this one, no problem. I can give it a dimension, smart dimension, just like this. R is 55 is okay. So again, we can go to features, revolve. Yes, yeah. As you see, now it's like this, and just click finish. So we have the ball connection. So save this part as a ball connection. Save. Okay, that's very good. The last thing that I want to show you to make the grid, as I said before, we have to make 3D lines to make grids, our grids. Let's name it as grid. So okay, just go to open and open 3D lines, and it will open this one. So import to a new part as a 3D sketch or model. So just next. By the way, you have to select this one, okay? Next, and the unit is millimeters. My drawings unit is millimeters. So just I want to finish this one. So it's very good. Now I have these entities. I can go to top view to see this. By the way, this is the top view, but I want to change it. The view like this. Let's say I want this view to be top view. So right click and go down and save current view as top view. So I want to change the my UCS. Anyhow. I'm sorry. Make a 3D sketch. Okay, as you see, we could make a 3D sketch. After that, I want to select this lines. Let's see how many lines I have. Press Shift key and first select the first one and convert entities. Okay, so I could convert everything. Now I have a 3D sketch. So let me hide this. Harper lines and hide them. I want to hide these Harper lines to see my 3D sketch. As you see now, I have this 3D sketch, and I can get the things that I have. Okay. By the way, I can save this file. Let's say space frame grid. Save. So now I have everything. Just let me go back and close this one. Now there's the last thing that I want to show you, which is the assembly of the parts. Assembly of the parts. I can go to open. I'm sorry. I have to make a new part, and here from assembly, just click OK, and from here browse. I have to bring the ball, pipe, and space frame grid. Okay, I bring everything. From components, yeah. What is the rest? Let me go to top view. I have only this pipe, which is pipe. Which pipe here? This is the name of the pipe. So insert component. I have to bring this one, this one also. This is the bowl. This another pipe, and this is the grid. Okay. Let me make this ball. But you see, I want to the center line. This point, this center line, and maybe this point also. I want to bring them anyhow. So from this point to like this point and close. I have some problem with this part, I think, but I will solve it, no problem. So let me just so as not to be too long the video, I'll stop here. And after that, from the third part, I want to talk in detail with how we can make these parts. As you see, we can make this part like let's say from this point, made from this point with the original to the some point from here. It's easy. We can use distances. We can use any things that we can make, but I don't want to be quickly from here because this is the tricky point. So that's why I will discuss in the third part of my course. So thank you very much.